Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. There's two ways to create, well, there's more than two ways because you could create individual lines, but you could use the table tool and make it and then figure out the size. You could go to the graph paper tool and then figure out your size. And one of them, and now see it on the table tool, it leaves a margin, and I could never figure out. So this video is about a macro that's going to do this, but it's going to have individual cubes. So like right now, there are 400 cubes that I drew. Didn't have to duplicate them. The macro, we're going to go to tools, scripts, and yours might say macros. It's called Windowpaner. And we're going to just take this away and we're going to start. And I'm going to tell it, I want 20 objects up or horizontal. I want 20 objects vertical. I want rectangles. I want to delete the first one. So if I want 20 by 20, I'm going to make this thing like 20 inches. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to have it delete, and I'm not going to have it group. So I'm just going to have that selected, and I'm going to go right there and look at that. I just created 400 objects, cubes. Now, this macro has a lot more stuff to it. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of the video for this macro and for a video that Eskimo did that tells more about it. You can do lines and guidelines and which never, I've looked at it for a long time and never really saw the advantage till this. I mean, this is pretty cool that you could make individual blocks that fast. And, you could pull that one out. It still looks like it's there because it's taken the other line. But anyway, I'll leave a link to the macro and a link to his video. He does a really good job at describing what it is. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.